I'm super excited to test this out right now. This is the heat press by HTVRONT, and this is what it looks like right now. I just turned it on. It's at 375 degrees, and the reason why it's at 375 degrees, it's because it's the paper's requirement. So whatever heat transfer paper you use, make sure that you go with the temperature that they require. What is this? This is to make my own customized t-shirts. So I've actually created my own design. I'll be able to literally have my own t-shirt with whatever design I want. So why would you want your own t-shirt? Now, maybe it's for a special event, for a party, for traveling with buddies. That's the cool thing, is you don't have to go out and purchase specialized t-shirts. Make them yourself in your comfort of your own home, which is awesome. So paper, I also checked not only the temperature, but also the timing. So this usually takes about 30 seconds, and we will be cutting to make sure that, of course, it cools down before I actually peel it off. And you'll notice that I have a piece of cardboard just in between to make sure that I protect the table underneath, because this is going to be a lot of heat and a lot of steam. So let's get to it. And this is as simple as it is because it's a heat press. I'm just going to make sure that I'm centered where I want. I'm going to put it down, and I've got my counter here, my 375, and I'm going to press R, and then I'm going to apply some pressure, about 35 to 50 pounds of pressure, just like that. And we're going to do 30 seconds of pressing with heat, and we'll be right back when we're about to show you the results. So the timer's almost about to end, and the little tone, there's the tone, so I can just lift it up. It's a lot of steam going on. This is extremely hot. So where do I put it? They actually provide you with the base, which is really ingenious, ready to go. So you could turn it off, or if you're doing multiple, then just use the base and away you go. So this here, very, very hot. I'm not going to touch this just yet. I'm going to make sure that it cools off for about 2 minutes. Then we'll be able to peel it off and look at our masterpiece. So we've just waited 2 minutes, and it's definitely still warm, but not hot. I can touch it, there's no problem. I can even touch right under it, and there's no issues here. So the big moment, the big reveal. Let's try and see how this is going to. This is literally the first time. I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's the fun part. Let's see how I can lift this up. There it is. I got one little corner. Let's see. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Oh, my very own, oh, this is so exciting. What? So, look at that. I made that. So of course, you see, right now you could see that the white is different. And the reason it is because if I would have used a brand new shirt, which I recommend, if you use a brand new shirt, there's not going to be a discrepancy between the tones. And right now, all of those particles, those cotton particles, are stuck under that stencil, that pressed stencil. So this is going to be good in the washing machine, in the dryer. Depending on the paper, this paper here is confirmed that I can wash this shirt and dry it 20 times before it starts fading away. But that is plenty if I want to have it for a special event, a special weekend, or things like that, at a party, for a group. I mean, super cool. And look at that, it's really stuck on there. Now it's perfect. And of course, I did it black and white, but you can do colors, you can do whatever you want. Endless possibilities with HTVRONT. Love this little press.